Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch account on Messenger. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're active on Facebook Messenger, Steve can be your new best friend. The app lets you set each of your Messenger account as parent icons, allowing you to check your inbox by simply clicking an icon. You can easily move between accounts this way. And how to do it, how if you want to switch your messenger account to your another account, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our messenger app. Now you can just tap on the three lines on the up left corner here. You can tap on your account here and you'll see you can switch to your page or to your another Facebook account. Here's my another Facebook account. I will try to log in into this account. I will choose this one, or maybe you want to log in into another account, you can just tap on this. I will switch to this account. Tap on continue. You can also tap on save info, so you won't have to enter your password next time you switch messenger account. You can tap on continue. You can create pin, set up ways to access your chat history. We'll create a pin. Let's wait. And now here's your another messenger account with your another Facebook account. You can start chat on here, but because I don't have friend on this account, I have to add friend first on my Facebook. So that is how to switch messenger account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.